Girls, for shared reading today, we are going to read One Red Sled. And yesterday when we read this book, we used what we know about words to help us solve tricky words. Today, we're going to see words that are highlighted. We're going to cross-check those words when I read them. We will ask ourselves, did the word I read look right, sound right, and make sense? One red sled. One morning, Max and Jada looked outside. Snow, they yelled. Let's take a look at the highlighted word. I read the word yelled. Can this word be the word yelled? Well, this word starts with a CR, crr, so it cannot be yelled. Eyed, cried. Snow, they cried. That looks right, sounds right, and it makes sense. Max and Jada raced to the closet. They found 4 woolly hats. They found 3 fat jackets. Let's stop and look at that highlighted word. I read the word jacket. Jacket. Can this word be jackets? No, you're right. It starts with a C. I also see a vowel team. A vowel team reminds me that the first vowel says its long name. Oats, coats. Now, I used my picture clues when I read jackets. Jackets does make sense there, but it doesn't match the letters in the word. Coats. They found 3 fat coats. They found 2 pairs of soft mittens. But they found only 1 red sled. There are 2 of us, said Max, but only 1 red sled. We'll take turns, said Jada. You can go first. Max quickly raced to the top of the hill and sledded down the slippery slope. Whoosh! Jada waited at the bottom. Next, Jada quickly raced to the top of the hill and sledded down the slick slope. Whoosh! Max waited at the bottom. Sledding goes fast, said Jada. But waiting is too slow, said Max. Max and Jada raced to the top of the hill together. They quickly climbed. Let's stop at that highlighted word. I read the word climbed. Let's see if it matches. I see that blend. CL, climbed. Climbed, it does. They quickly climbed onto the sled. Swoosh! Sledding is twice as fun together on one red sled. Let's go back to my highlighted word. I read sledding is twice. It makes sense, but it doesn't look right. Sledding was twice as fun together on one red sled. So boys and girls, at the end of the story today, I want us to talk about the story elements, okay? Who are the characters in our book? And where did the story take place? So let's think about that. Who are the characters in our story? Max and Jada are the characters in our story. Where did the story take place? What is the setting? Outside on the snow hill. And what was the problem of the story? The problem was there was only 1 red sled. And how did they solve that problem? They decided to sled together. Great job today. Remember, when we're reading our shared reading books, I would love if you would read along with me.